So here in Moodle, I just want to show you how to fix an error that can pop up when you're trying to edit your collapsing accordions here. So if we come into edit mode up at the top right, and we come into edit here, then you'll notice that in this mode with the tiny MCE editor, we can't actually open up the accordion to edit it. And also, if we're wanting to add a new accordion, then the option doesn't appear there if we are used to using the little spider's web to add those accordions. So if we go into a new text to media area, you'll notice in here, even in more options, we don't have that spider's web for adding those kind of pre-built accordions. So we'll cancel out of here. To fix this, we're going to come up to our profile up at the top right. We'll come into preferences, and then in the preferences we can change the edits that we use under editor preferences, so in the user account settings section, and we can jump from tiny MCE editor to Atto HTML editor. So if we save that and then come back to our course, we'll use the back button up here, we'll come back to our course. And now when we come in here into edit settings, you'll see now we can open these up, we can highlight the text, we can highlight the title, and we can modify the text as you may have been used to in the past. So you just need to switch back to the Atto editor, and then also this will fix the option to add a new accordion as well. So if we come to add activity or resource, we're going to add a text and media area, and really you can do this in any activity or resource where the text editor appears. We'll drop this down, we'll come to the little spider's web, and in here you can see we can add, for instance, our PNSG accordion, which adds in our list of different accordions, and we can then come in and edit those. So that's how to fix an issue that has been popping up recently with editing accordions in Moodle 4.5 since the upgrade. If you do have any questions, then please do get in touch.